Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On this video, I will be discussing the Ethereum price action where we are right now seeing a very interesting symmetrical triangle getting unfolding on the 1 hourly candles. What is going to suggest where Ethereum is going to break to next support. Of course, are we going to see another pump towards the upside or are we going to see a correction? It's all down towards the symmetrical triangle to decide its direction right now here as well. On today's video, I will be talking about the reasons why I'm right now accumulating way more Ethereum than Bitcoin, because I am anticipating another major hype run up just like we got with the London fork hard fork update as well. I will be talking about the London fork hard fork update and that we already burned more than $1 billion in Ethereum. Of course, as well, I want to be talking about the cup and handle that we're currently getting created here on the Ethereum price section, and I will be talking about a very bullish retest here right now on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin pair. So yeah, if you want to be finding out about all this important information, make sure that you're right away going to still till the end of the video, stick till the end of the video. And of course, don't forget to smash up the like button right now here, because yeah, smashing up the like button is only going to take you a few seconds of your time to go below this video, and you will be literally mean the world for me to, of course, take a few seconds of your time to smash up the like button. So with all these things out of the way, let me start off with discussing the TA before going into our very interesting information we currently got here on the market. So yeah, Ethereum currently trading on the $3,445, and you can see it is forming a very critical previous resistance line over here, like you can see, flipped into support, into support, into support. So yeah, you can see already more than 5 touch points, are getting created here on this upper sloping support line, together with this downward slope resist line here on the top side. 2, 3, 4 touch points here on the top side. This is of course looking like a very significant pattern that is going to be breaking out here in the coming days. So this is coming days and the coming hours from now on. So it looks to be that Ethereum is really going to choose a direction, because I have not been seeing, of course, a symmetrical triangle with so many touch points recently here on the Ethereum price section. So I can already tell to you guys out there, this is going to be a very significant breakout that Ethereum is going to get creating. So it's going to be, of course, deciding if we're going to break out through the top side or the downside to, of course, determine if we're going to see breakout or breakdown from here on. If we're going to break out towards the upside, this will be resulting in a very significant move of an 8% towards the upside. Of course, Ethereum did lose some valuation against Bitcoin, but since Bitcoin is right now looking relatively strong because it broke out of this descending broad wing wedge here, I personally think the market could be moving up towards the upside. And if you want to be taking this trade, an 8% trade here on Ethereum, you could be already doing so by, of course, signing up right now with the highest link in the description, because if you're right now going to sign up with BYBIT here in the link description, you will be able to, of course, make these very strong trades here on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, or whatsoever. And of course, on a breakout of such a significant symmetrical triangle, it's going to be relatively easy to catch this 8% move here. And of course, with a 10x leverage, that is already an 88% gain here. So yeah, make sure that you're already going to sign up here with the highest link in the description. So and then third of all, guys, if we're going to be breaking towards the downside of this, very significant symmetrical triangle, you could be seeing, could we be having a 9.1% correction towards the downside, suggesting Ethereum is moving back towards the $3,092. So that's, of course, also quite an interesting target that we could be potentially reach. So yeah, if you want to be finding out on which direction we're going to break towards, make sure to right away follow me here on Twitter, because I will be keeping you guys up to date about all the price action on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if we're seeing such a significant breakout, I will be right away calling on my Twitter page if I'm going to open a long position or if I'm just going to sit out of it. But I can tell you already, I will be most likely open a very strong long position on this breakout of this symmetrical triangle. So it does look very strong right now, and it does look like we are getting a very strong opportunity in the market that could be resulting in a very significant move up here. So as well, we all know that we are right now looking at this, this normal cup and handle here on the Ethereum compared to US dollar chart. Of course, we have been already going over this several times, suggesting an 88% move here, but still going to raise the awareness, guys. We're still consolidating in this parallel channel down right now here, basically the handle of the cup. So definitely think we could be approaching this as a very significant pattern, and this could be for sure a break towards the upside anytime soon here, and we could be seeing this 88% pump here getting created here in the coming 2 months from here on. So make sure that you're going to set up, make sure that you're ready for this insane rally we are about to get creating from here on. So Pretty exciting as well. Let me right now as well talk a little bit about why I'm accumulating more Ethereum than Bitcoin right now, because guys, we all know that of course the London hard fork update was resulting in the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation absolutely spike with an approximately, let me see, 160%. So Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin in just a matter of 45 days by 170%, and it could be doing for sure similar things anytime soon again, because the merge, aka this means that the beacon chain will be getting merged with the normal chain of Ethereum, and that will be resulting in the whole Ethereum chain to be, of course, proof of stake instead of proof of work. So this is going to be a major update here. The whole network will be going over to proof of stake, and this will be resulting, I can tell you already once again, in a major hype run up. Of course, it's an estimate release in 2021. We don't know an exact date yet here, but you could be, of course, already front running the market. You could be already anticipating what's going to happen, and that is that we're going to get a major rally. So that is the reason why I'm right now stacking up on a lot of Ethereum. I do think Ethereum is going to absolutely crush the opposition, Bitcoin, of course, in my opinion. I think Ethereum is a way better hold in terms of gains that I'm going to make here. So yes, I'm feeling very excited about the Ethereum price action, and I will be holding it for sure. And then yeah, let me right away go over the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, because yes, I was basically already talking about it. I do think Ethereum is going to be outperforming Bitcoin, since of course not right now on the exact time of recording, but it will be doing so in the coming let's say 2 or 3 months from now, because yeah, basically the merge, it will be happening in the coming 3 months, and this is going to be most likely resulting once again in an insane rally towards the upside. So I am at least already prepared for it. I have a huge amount of my portfolio on Ethereum already, and I will be for sure not stopping to stack even more Ethereum up. So you can see right now as well, upper sloping support. I'm still getting great here on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin pair. I mean, this is of course looking very healthy in my opinion. We're still getting supported by this previous level of resistance. I think Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is right now showing us very strong signs of accumulation, and Ethereum is definitely looking like yeah, that you should be buying it right now in my opinion. Of course, no financial advice there, but as well, yeah, Ethereum inverse cup and handle, sorry, not inverse, Ethereum cup and handle right now on the daily candles looks as well very strong. Together with the updates that are about to come here, I do think Ethereum is going to be a strong buy, and third of all, it has a very bullish retest right now on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart. So it looks to be that it is going to be outperforming Bitcoin as well in the coming days. So then let me as well right away go over the last thing that I want to be discussing here, and that is this insane amount of Ethereum already got burned here. So guys, you can see right now here already 300,000 and 322,000 Ethereum already got burned, and of course that equals 1.1 billion US dollars. And if you're looking right now to the market capitalization of Bitcoin, it is more than approximately 0.25% of the total market capitalization right now already got burned. So that is pretty crazy, right? A huge amount of Ethereum already got burned here in just a matter of a few weeks. So yeah, make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on Ethereum, because Ethereum is really going to be the shining star, and I'm really going to talk right now about a period of maybe 2 or 3 years from now on. But you have to be seeing the adoption, you have to be seeing the growth, you have to be seeing the development, and just this is just getting me very exciting, because these miners are right now not providing this selling pressure anymore what we had previously, because previously, of course, the miners were basically selling off their Ethereum, but right now they are mining it. Of course, they are still getting a little bit of a reward, but soon, of course, the network will be shifting back towards proof of stake. Of course, then the stakers will be getting a reward, but the most amount of fees will be getting burned, and these huge amounts of fees getting burned will be resulting in basically less selling pressure. So it is pretty exciting what we're right now having here. Already 322,000 Ethereum got burned equals 1.1 billion US dollars. This is a crazy amount of Ethereum getting burned. You have to be keep your eyes out on the bigger picture right now here. It's more than 0.25% of the total market capitalization. It maybe doesn't sound a lot here, but it is quite a lot. But yeah, it's important to keep your eyes out on this important information right now here. So yeah, this was already it for today's Ethereum update video here. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you're right away going to smash up the like button. It would be highly appreciated if you could be smashing up the like button right now here. And with that out of the way, guys, thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys later today in another update video, or maybe even a live stream on this channel. So make sure to peace out, guys.